Welcome back to another video, and today, last video, we were making our house, and we were doing pretty good. So, we got up to this part, and I'm thinking that this is going to be the main part of our house, and this is just going to be the storage system. And so, we quickly need to get some wood so we can do more stuff to our house, because like I said, we're going to continue that. And so yeah. Okay. So I'm planning that we're going to get a lot of wood and then make the exterior of the house. Yeah, and then on the top we're going to put stairs, so it'll look like kind of like a little shack. And so yeah, let's get to it. And so yeah. So we might be making our mine a little bit today, because we haven't really been doing that. Who cares about diamond? It's ugly in all the ways. So you don't need it. I'm so mean. Oh wait, we have another stack of oak. I didn't even know that. Whatever. Let's get. I meant to press 1. 2. It wasn't coming to me. That was so mean. Like, what's your problem, dude? Like, I'll get it. And okay. Don't mind the lagging. It will stop pretty soon. I hope you don't mind the lagging. You know what? We'll stop here. We'll stop here. Boom. Okay. So we have a stack of 53. We've got more than 100. That's good. Let me see something. 0. And let's go. Okay. So, oh, I do not want to go in there. It's also known as the scary place, in my opinion. It's very scary. Very, very, very scary. We have iron, right? We use all of it. I don't see any iron, but I thought we did. Oh, wait, actually, did we make something? I think it's in here. No. Where did all the iron go? You guys in the chat are probably like, the iron is right there, how can you not see it? And I just think that's it. It's probably... I can't get... It's so annoying. Oh, I have an idea. There's a crafting table. Why do you... Hello? Where's our crafting table? That's so mean. Like, you don't want to mess with me. Oh, wait. You don't have a lot of sticks. No. Okay. Okay. Oh, coming back. I was just like, I was so scared. Like, I just see it's gonna be like, let me see if it's difficulty hard. Okay. Next time we might do hardcore. So I'd probably die really easily because I've actually never done hardcore. It's a lot of stairs. Yeah, it's a long way down. What was I doing? Why did I type in planks? I meant slabs. How do you... Oh. We'll do 15. Actually... No. Well, let's see if that's enough. No, why did I do that? I actually kind of want to do, like, DLC. Dude. Okay. No, I don't want to do it. No. No, I need a skeleton. Am I crazy? I think I'm crazy. Oh, we don't even have a furnace. Did I not type? Dude, what's your issue? What's your issue, Peter? No, I'm not afraid to share my feelings. I'm not Mr. Beast. I'm not gonna plant like a billion trees. Okay, I did not. And what are we doing here? Let me see. I wonder. Does it? Okay. Good. We'll keep it there for now. And while we're doing that, we're gonna build the exterior of our house. So how are we gonna do this? Maybe we should do this. How am I gonna get food? Don't be so mean. I'm sinking right now. That's a problem. Not working. Yeah. We'll go through it straight. And there we go. Okay, so I'm thinking we can do this. Stack it. So besides this stone that we put in the furnace, and then this one. Hopefully it looks good. I'm just kind of embarrassing if it doesn't. It's like the worst house ever. So we're gonna fill all this up. No! So annoying. It's really annoying. Actually. Boom. Oh, it's pretty good. I kind of like it. It's not going to be our final house, so don't you think of that. Or else you're thinking wrong. Wow. I'm so confusing. Like, don't even ask. Don't bother. It won't be worth it. It won't be worth it wasting like 2 seconds of your life on that. Okay, tiny pressure. Tiny pressure. And okay, once I put a mouse, it's gonna be so much easier to build. Right now it's pretty hard. Yeah. What was I doing? Oh yeah. No, okay. Who does that? Why is there even such thing as fall damage? That shouldn't even be a thing. Okay. Mark my words. Oh, I just saved myself. You should be. Boom! I just saved myself. I'm crazy. Oh, come on. Well, I guess we're getting so much. Like, how do we have that little stone? I don't get it. Seriously. We'll do that. We'll also do yeah, we'll do I'm gonna keep it there. Oh, that's so mean. If you don't let me keep it there. I don't want it to be kind of rude. Like, who does that to another person? Okay, I know it looks bad, but it's because I'm gonna put like windows there. Wait a minute. No, I'm taking all that cobblestone away. I know we should do it. Trust me. Trust me. We'll get a wait. Do we have iron? Oh! I was searching for ore the whole time, even though we already had like actual iron. I'm so smart, everyone. I'm so smart. What was I just doing? Shovel. Shall I get an iron one? No, we don't have a lot of iron. We don't have enough to waste it on a stupid shovel. I'm so funny sometimes, you don't even know. Okay. I'm getting all this. Good. So my thing is, instead of cobblestone, we will make glass. Because I feel like that would be like way prettier. And it will feel more like home. With the zombies just watching us. But yeah, that'd be like home. I like the idea. I love the idea, so don't you even think about not liking it. No, I'm gonna be outside. I don't wanna have to deal with me mining like 2 times or not 2 times, but like 1.5 times less as fast. Like, I don't like that. Actually, we might not do mining today. We might just make a house and that's it. Because we're still not done with our mine. We're gonna need a lot of sand for this. So thank God we're coming prepared. And oh, I have 14 apples. We can make like 14 golden apples. Wait, you can't craft golden apples. You can't craft enchanted golden apples, right? I don't think you can. So that's good. What am I saying? That's bad, but like, not like that bad. I'm still getting used to the controls, so like. Okay, we got this. We got this. Boom. And then I'm okay. Okay, how many times am I gonna say that? What is this called? I forgot. Oh yeah, stone bricks. Forgot for a second. I am not gonna make all of it because I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm definitely not too lazy. Don't you dare even say that to me, or else. Or else. And then I stop you there. Because I'm scared. No, bricks. Wait, can't I? Wait, no. How do you make, slab? Wait, I'm so confused right now. Wait, can't you? What's this? Nothing. Wait. What? Wait. I'm so confused right now. Because can't you make like, what's it called? What happens if we smelt stone bricks? I am so confused right now. I'm so, ew. I'm just like, ew. I'm gonna search something up. I'm searching something. And I know I have a lot of tabs. What can you make with stone bricks? No. Minecraft. Let me see. I'm so confused. Yeah, how do you get that? How do you make stone brick slabs? Oh, okay. Now I know. How did I not know that? I'm so dumb. I'm actually so dumb. Okay. Like, okay, what is this called? Stone. Oh, so now you show up. Of course. Now you show up. Like, really? Did you really have to do that to me? Did you have to make me suffer? Just a question. Did you have to make me suffer? I wasted so many minutes of the video. It's nighttime. That is scary. There's probably like somebody creeping up on me. I don't know. I'm just so scared right now. You don't even know. Or maybe you do know. I don't know. Whatever. Oh wait, I didn't put down my stone cutter, I just realized. I mean, stone is a little bit cheaper with this, not that much. Boom. Okay. Cool. So, we're gonna do the floor. Because I just feel like it. And also I need to eat. How can I forget about eating? Wait, I don't think it's laggy anymore. I don't think so. We don't need this anymore. I just thought of something. You can like, what if I do this? Like, dude, okay. This. And then this. Oh no, that messed everything up. Like that messed everything up. Wait, it doesn't turn back to cobblestone? Oh no, that's just regular stone. Okay. Okay. Forgot. Don't judge. Boom. 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 Okay. You're doing good. And then I do that. And I do that. 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 This looks pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not suffocating, am I? No, I'm not suffocating. There's no way. I'll actually quit Minecraft if I suffocate. So like, I better not suffocate. Okay, I actually like almost did suffocate. So that's kind of scary. Okay. And then I need red flowers because then I can like. We do have. Oh. Let's not talk about that. I just pressed that by accident. I'm so sorry. I am really sorry. Now it's gonna take so long to get back in. Okay. This doesn't look good. That looks pretty good. I like that. Wait, no. I know we need to do to make it even better. I know what we need to do. But first we need flowers. And then we need sheep. Because I'm gonna make like an aisle. Like oh I'm gonna make like an aisle, you know how you walk down the aisle, like the red window. Should it be red? Because we don't have enough flowers, so shit. No, blue doesn't look good. Blue doesn't look good. How long have we been? More red flowers. I just stop what I'm saying in like the middle of what I'm saying. That's me for you. We need to do that. That looks nice. That looks better. And then we do this. And boom. That looks pretty nice. I really like that. And now we can get doors. Doors. Okay. At least I know how to make something. Whoa, what just happened? That was weird. We still haven't done the sand thing yet? Wow. We still have a lot more to do on our house. A lot more. It looks like, so we got a lot of the exterior done. But now it looks like we have, but we actually need to like make all this glass and stuff. So not really. But I mean, let's not think it like that. Let's not think like that. Wait. Bum. Bum. No. Well, I can do that. Okay. We need to get more. OMG. Emerald spawn. Okay, wait. Can you break with this? Oh no, it's too slow. But like, if it's too slow, wow. the texture of coal looks pretty nice. See, it's not that laggy anymore, and I like it. I really do like it. So I'm gonna turn the blocks of sand into what's it called? What's it called? Glass panes. I'm pretty sure panes. And then the house will look really nice. You know, I was thinking of just making windows, but no. We're gonna make the whole house glass panes. Hi, Emerald. You know, I'm gonna keep you there forever to remind me of how we are so lucky. Oh, actually, you know, emeralds aren't that good. I gotta be honest. Emeralds aren't good. Oh, wait, where did I can't talk. I was gonna say, now I forgot what I was gonna say. Wow. Classic me. Sadly, classic me. No, I don't like you. You should know that by now since I keep dropping you. Pin. Glass pin. 32. That is not nearly enough. We need like three stacks. This is gonna take a while. But guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you like. Wait, I'm not gonna end it yet. I actually need to do something. Okay. All I need to do is that. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you liked it. If you did, press that like button and subscribe button. See you all next time. See you later.